Greetings to all. Today, I want to show you how to change your IP address on your PC. First, open any browser. In the search bar, type my IP address and press enter. A new tab will open. You can see that this is our current IP address. Copy it. After copying it, and open what is my IP address website, and then paste it into this box. Then, click the Enter button. The loading will start. After a short while, the result will appear. As you can see, my current IP address is from Thailand. Let's change it now. The easiest way to change it is to use a VPN. The best one is NordVPN. Let's go to NordVPN. It's a popular VPN service. If you click on this button, you just need to select the Canada. If your server is good, it should connect quickly. Let's explore this a bit. When you will come here, you'll see this image of NordVPN showing a list of countries. You can select any country from here. NordVPN has servers in a lot of countries, so you'll have a lot of options. When you will come to here, you'll see this image of a map showing different countries. You can select any country from here. I think it will better those persons who are not know the name of country, but they are know the location of country in map. You can also zoom in and out of the map. Our IP address has now changed. First, click the search button again. The refresh will start. Let's see the IP address now. Copy it. Then, go to the same website again. Paste the address here. And then press Enter. The loading will start. This will take a little longer. Now it's updated. We are now connected to a server in Canada. Our IP address is also from Canada. That's how to change your IP address. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.